another country, another great adventure. Where am I right now? The backhand will tell. Yup. Welcome to Spania. At my back, this is Museum Catalunya, and in front of this building, this is the view. Yeah, look at that view. Kitang-kita ang Barcelona from here. Yup. If you see this monument, it means you're in Plaza España. And over there, that building, before, it's an arena where Matador and a bull fight to entertain the audience. And now, it's a mall. Yeah. Andito na kami ngayon sa taas ng Arena Mall with my amigo. There, nagtitake siya ng picture. And the view is awesome. Yeah. From here, makikita mo yung monument and yung museum there. Yeah. So it's very nice. Behind me, it's the Olympic Tower. Noong 1992, dito ginanap sa Barcelona ang Olympics. Nandito kami sa metro at naghihintay ng train papunta sa tayo, Rick? Parkwell. Grabe papunta. From there papunta sa taas na yon, doon pa sa kataas-taasan, medyo mataas yung part na yon. So medyo matarik tong way papunta. Papagulong-gulong na lang kami pababa. Finally, nandito na kami sa Parkwell. Ako yung naghihintay sa atin na view. Sa hindi na sa pagkakataon, may bayad na yung park. Before wala, and now meron na 8 euros per person. And then every 30 minutes lang sila nagpapapasok, and 400 persons every 30 minutes sila nagpapapasok. Masaklap is fully booked na till magsara sila. So bilang na yung taong papasok, kalkulado na nila. So yan talaga. Maybe next time, there's a reason why na hindi ako makapasok now, but there will be a next time, sana. So try ko na lang i-video pa yung ibang part na to. Yes, etong part nga pala to is ginawa ni Anthony Gandhi, and siya rin yung gumawa ng Sagrada Familia. And dito sa part na to, ito yung may bayad na 8 euros. Dito makikita mo yung overview ng Barcelona, which is makikita mo rin yung Sagrada Familia. And then sa baba nito, nandito yung mga artifacts na gawa rin ni Gandhi. Like yung lizard and yung skulls and lots more. So Fortunately, fully booked na kaya hindi ako makapasok ngayong araw. So, maybe next time. There's a reason why. So, now, I'm going somewhere else. Check ko lang muna sa Google kung saan pa ako pwede makapunta. Ang kulit. The table tennis sila using football. Oh, need to take my vitamins. Sobrang init and sobrang haba na nilalakad namin. So, this will refreshen up my body. Sarap. Look what we have here. Lalakad lang kami sa city and we found this. Casa Batlló. Isa sa mga obra maestra ni Antoni Gaudi. Yeah. Ito. Ganda. Yes. May entrance, not sure how much. Tignan ko kung magkano. But possible hindi na ako pumasok kasi wala na rin akong time. So, here we go again. Casa Mila, another masterpiece of Gaudi. Last destination for this day, Barceloneta. Yup. Oh, the water! Oh man, the water is so cold. Well, I need to refreshen up and enjoy the water. So, thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can like it and share to others. So, gotta go.